The top 10 biomarkers of 2021, which is an exciting discussion here at the end of a challenging year. But in the integrative and functional field, we're always looking at improving health and reaching these optimal levels of vitality and knowing that it is the prevention of disease that's so important. And that is what integrative medicine is all about. So today is going to be the top 10 biomarkers of 2021, the best labs that we have been finding in integrative medicine to be helping people reach their optimal level of health. And we're going to go through these top labs. If we have time, we're going to go through all 10 of our top labs, whether they're stool tests, some of them are urine tests, some of them are blood tests. But in functional medicine, we're looking for the root cause. We're looking to correct the underlying pathways that need these coenzymes and nutrients, vitamins and minerals for optimal support. And this is how we can reach vitality, which is optimal health, feeling good, feeling well again, feeling at your best. And that is what is key. And that is what our mission is. So, what are these top 10 biomarkers of 2021 in the realm of functional medicine and integrative medicine? You know, we use those words integrative and functional. The key is to look at these pathways that we know when they're not optimally functioning can lead to chronic disease, these top chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, cancer. We want to be preventative. We're looking at labs to be ahead of the game when it comes to chronic health disease. Quite often, it's inflammation or vitamin insufficiency. When we say vitamins, we mean minerals as well. Amino acids are very, very important. That's part of protein. That's why food is everything. Food is medicine. And what does that mean, that food is medicine? Food such as ginger and garlic and oregano, thyme, blueberries, all these great healthy foods, will out over time, having these foods in our regular diet is extremely healthy, can be very preventative. But when we say food as medicine, we mean that as well as concentrating the food at times when it is needed to control inflammation, to help with detoxification. We can concentrate the food and then it becomes like a medicine because it's going to change the body's processes, the body's systems like a medicine does, which means it's going to have a much more immediate and a much more impactful uh, impact on the body. And what we can eat ginger as an example, but we can concentrate ginger into an extract, whether it's using alcohol or hot water or just removing the active ingredient from a plant and concentrating that active ingredient is going to be making that food just like a medicine. So the top 10 biomarkers of 2021 for functional medicine. Number 10, beta glucuronidase. Now, that is an enzyme. Anything that ends with ASC is an enzyme. And how we obtain this beta glucuronidase is through a very advanced DNA PCR stool sample where beta glucuronidase is obtained. That is an enzyme which clues us into the liver. The liver and the gut, they are connected. They are connected with the gallbladder. It is the bile ducts and this portal hepatic system, which is going through the small intestine. The connection between the liver and the small intestines is beta glucuronidase for one, and that lets us know about glucuronidation, which is a process that helps to remove estrogens. And estrogens that are not removed properly in the body can build up, and they can be very toxic and cancer promoting. And this is why beta glucuronidase falls under our top 10 list of important biomarkers. Again, this is on a stool test. This is an enzyme. And when elevated, we take actions in functional medicine to improve this. And we can do that through food or concentrating food as a medicine, which there is a nutrient called calcium D-glucuronidase, which derives from broccoli or cruciferous vegetables, but when concentrated is like a food. The next biomarker on our top 10 list is homocysteine. Homocysteine is a blood test. This blood test lets us know the whole process of methylation, and it lets us know as a blood test whether we need to support this process of methylation, which is responsible for our DNA, the way that our cells reproduce and not have any DNA mutations. We also know methylation is involved with neurotransmitters, and methylation is involved with our glutathione, the way we detoxify. So beta glucuronidase and homocysteine both are for detoxification, and homocysteine in particular requires some co-nutrients when we really want to support it. And that is an action we do take in functional medicine with that biomarker known as homocysteine. Now, the next biomarker on our top 10 biomarkers of 2021 for functional medicine is a blood test as well. That is a marker known as GGT, gamma glutamyl transferase, which lets us know the oxidative and the pro-oxidant status of the body, especially because this enzyme is involved in glutathione. We can really assess the glutathione status, the antioxidant and oxidative stress status in a body, not just whether a person is consuming alcohol. That's normally why this test is run, but really this test can tell us so much more. And that's why this also fits under our top 10 biomarkers of 2021. The next biomarker on our top 10 biomarkers of 2021 is 8-OHDG, 8-hydroxy-2-deoxyguanosine, which is a biomarker of the mitochondria. This is a urine test that is an organic acid test. It's a urine test that tells us the DNA damage of the mitochondria, especially because this really lets us know about oxidative stress. And the next biomarker on our top 10 biomarker of 2021, this would be number 6, which is acromantiomycinophilia, which is a stool test biomarker, which lets us know this very important beneficial probiotic or good bacteria that helps to build and protect our gut because it is mucus forming, mucus that protects and heals our gut lining. Akkermansia, when it's elevated too much, can be a problem metabolically for like metabolic syndrome and diabetes, but when it's too low, also has an issue with the healing of the gut, the mucus of the gut. So we are going to continue our top 10 list, but so far we have coming in at number 10, beta glucuronidase, number 9, homocysteine, number 8, GGT, gamma glutamyl transferase, number 7, 8-OHDG, 8-hydroxy-2-deoxyguanosine, and number 6, Akkermansia mucinophilia. Stay tuned. Before the new year, we'll continue our list, but I hope that you have found this informative and interesting. If so, please share this when you see this on the replay, or if you're watching it right now, like and comment. Will help you with answering questions. Reach out to us, www.sfihc.com. Everyone have a healthy and happy new year, and we are here to help with bringing optimal health. We are here at South Florida Integrative Health Center. Have a healthy, happy new year. We'll come in before the new year to go over the other biomarkers on our top 10 biomarkers of 2021.